Hi everyone, Alex Tardy here, National Weather Service. Well, we're dealing with a lot of showers and thunderstorms today on Monday. These showers start off the work week, but we do expect drying conditions finally and warming up. So let's take a look at the outlook for the rest of the week and possibly another storm coming in off the Pacific. Here are the highlights. The last of the moisture from the weekend storm is still with us and wrapping more energy and moisture across Southern California Monday afternoon. So we're seeing those additional showers and isolated thunderstorms. Now we still will see some showers, but only in the mountains on Tuesday. So the drying really starts Tuesday, and then we see a warming trend Tuesday through Thursday, especially inland areas. Now a strong Pacific storm looks like it's on track for this upcoming weekend. That looks like it'll move through with rain and a cold front by Saturday night, and lingering showers continuing on Sunday with snow in the higher elevations. Okay, a quick recap. Here's a plot of the lightning. Take a look, see if your area had lightning. We had some really strong storms that moved across San Diego County with gusts to 55 miles per hour near I-8 in Santee, as well as up towards Ramona, gusts 45 miles per hour. Now elsewhere there was a lot of lightning as well. Orange County and the Western Inland Empire, some strong thunderstorms in that area moved across from east to west. And then a few isolated thunderstorms over the San Jacinto Mountains, even the Coachella Valley, and then look up by Big Bear as well. So a lot of lightning activity. The purple is the cloud to cloud, and the orange shaded is cloud to ground lightning. Very dangerous cloud to ground lightning. Here's what the rain looked like. The showers moved across these areas. Most places, because the storms were moving quickly, did not receive more than a quarter inch of rain. There were a couple exceptions. Even though the rain was heavy, it didn't last very long, as indicated by the rain that hit the rain gauges on this map. The storm, the same storm that came last week on Thursday and settled over Southern California, it is still wrapping moisture and energy, as you can see here. Look how tight the red lines are and the strong wind wrapping around the storm to the north. So the storm's actually pushed a little further west again, putting it in a prime position for bringing moisture, energy, and instability to Southern California today. Okay, the outlook, as mentioned, today is the showers and isolated thunderstorms. Then we dry out Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We're still holding on to some showers in the mountains, though, for Tuesday afternoon. And it gets really warm, too. Warm conditions in the inland areas, especially the deserts, getting in the 80s. The next storm looks like it's due to arrive sometime over the weekend, probably starting Saturday, and the most significant part of the storm Saturday night into early Sunday. Okay, this is what we're dealing with right now. So by Tuesday, and this is why we still hold a chance of showers in the mountains, by Tuesday the storm inches its way to the east and goes back over Arizona. Upper level ridge of high pressure and sinking warming air starts to move in from the west, as shown here. But it still is not completely shifted away on Tuesday. By the weekend, Saturday afternoon and night, a completely different storm moves through, coming in off the Pacific, sweeping across California with a cold front, rain, and lowering snow levels. So this could be a fairly strong storm, even though it's a rather quick hitter for the weekend, Saturday night into early Sunday, and then some lingering showers as it passes by to the east. Okay, even after this weekend, what's in store as we go into early April? This is the latest outlook, which suggests the storm track could still bring another storm in active pattern to Southern California in early April. No indication on the temperatures, though. That storm system or jet stream will allow temperatures to be near the 30-year average. So yes, there's still the potential for additional storms in early April. What have we seen so far? Well, coastal areas have been very wet. They've already seen their seasonal total. They're above normal, but our inland areas, such as the mountains and deserts, are below average, as shown here. And we've only had a handful of atmospheric rivers, less than last year, which had 13. And primarily that was in January, and then of course in February, where we had back-to-back atmospheric rivers in Southern California. The local climate numbers for precipitation are shown here. Our coastal and inland valley areas have received their normal rainfall for the year, 10 to 15 inches, so that's great. Our mountain areas are running below normal and much below compared to what they saw last year. I left the numbers for last winter, which was really wet in Southern California, so you can see it compared to the numbers this year so far here in March. And then of course your 30-year averages are shown on the screen here to compare. So the rankings are from last year, which again was one of the wettest years for some of our mountain locations in Southern California.